It was hard. It was about a year ago. Me and my best friend were going to a Jonas Brothers concert because I love Nick Jonas. And we were standing outside in the long line, and I've been hearing about these issues, Sharks with Knives, and I was like, whatever, it's bullshit. But this guy approached us, and he was like, hey, do you guys want backstage passes? And of course, I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh my god, yeah. So he brings us backstage. He's like, let me go get the brothers. Which one's your favorite? And at this point, I'm like, oh my god, Nick Jonas. He looked a little funny. So he brought me back there. And then this Nick. Do I have to finish this? It was gruesome. They locked us in a closet. I missed the concert. I didn't meet Jonas. I have a scar right behind my ear. I want to show you. It's kind of gross, but I think that's enough for today. It's okay. Okay, for real, I'm done. I'm fucking done, okay?